It's the following day and I'm wearing the same jacket kasi warm siya, gustong gusto ko siya. Ito yung nabili namin pala sa Calgary, sa Gap. Yung isa nito yung green, yun yung suot ni Kim lagi. Sorry, hindi pala ako nakaano. Paalis kami ngayon. Doon kami manonood sa Marine Drive. Originally, yung binook ko dapat is yung sa Brentwood kasi mas gusto namin yung
theater na yun.
Oo, mas gusto namin doon. Kaso hindi ko alam for some reason nung nag-check out ako. Marine Drive ang lumabas, hindi ko alam bakit. Ay, ano pala siya. May kumot kami dyan pala sa likod kasi
para lang for emergencies, katulad nung nag-dentist si Kat, nakatulog ako sa kanya.
Oo, tsaka natuto na kami kasi nung yun nga din, emergency yung nangyari kay Kim. Wala kaming kumot noon nung sa kahabaan ng highway na nag-911 kami. Wala kaming kumot noon, so nilamig siya, nilamig ako.
Anong oras na? 12:45 yung movie namin, guys. Tapos
Advance yan.
12:35 na. So 10 minutes na lang kailangan nandun kami, kaso lang traffic.
Traffic,
Hi.
maraming tao, hindi namin alam bakit.
Kasi nga Mother's Day.
Yeah,
Anyways, sige, update
Happy
na lang
Mother's
namin
Day sa
kayo
lahat ng
mamaya.
mga nanood. Pero siguro mapapanood nyo to.
Hindi na Mother's Day, papunta ng Father's Day. So happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga fathers out there.
Happy Father's Day in advance. Anyways, mamaya i-update namin kayo pag andun na kami.
Sige guys.
Bye!
Bayad siya ng parking.
Hindi ko alam yung bibigyan ko.
Late na kami. Yan, bakit na kami? Dito kami sa Marine Drive na VIP experience na Cineplex. Tapos late na kami, mga 15 minutes late na. So tapos na rin siguro yung mga trailers. Anyways, we're gonna go. That's the view here. That's the view. That's the train to go to. And then that's Kat. She's ordering food. This is what we're watching. So apparently, ano pa rin, trailers pa rin. So upo na kami. Yan na. So, ayun na nga. Nagustuhan mo ba?
Maganda naman, hindi kami na late.
Oo. Nung pumunta kami doon, siguro isang last na trailer na lang, tapos mag-start na yung movie. The movie was, I don't know, I felt like it was okay.
It was okay. Feeling ko nabitin ako, pero
Oo.
it was okay.
Yeah. Panoorin nyo na lang. Papunta na kami ng car ngayon kasi may appointment ako. So, samahan nyo kami. Maybe, I don't, nag-iisipan ko pa. I want a ice cap and a tidbit.
A small ice cap?
Yeah. Makaha kami ng Tim Hortons before mag-drive kasi medyo 20 minutes yung drive, kaya matagal-tagal. Yan. Forecast na uulan daw.
Yeah. Sabi ulan
Is it raining, Vancouver? Is it raining?
Uy, wag, baka ma-jinx.
True, it's not raining. Thank you.
Thank you, universe.
Okay, so kakatapos lang ng appointment ko doon sa Bear.
Nagpa-wax.
That was a bucket list kind of thing. That was nice. My experience overall was a 10 out of 10 because the person who did it, she was so nice, and she was also so, I don't know, informative, and
she
made me feel really welcome and like assured. So
I like that she's not pushing the kind of service that we wanted at first, but then sabi niya kasi na since first time ito yung i-recommend ko, hindi yung pinupush na hindi, ito na lang.
True. Yeah, that was good. So we're gonna come back in 5 weeks. Kat is also gonna try it, and then I think that's just the maintenance from now on.
Every 5 weeks, not too bad.
Not too bad.
Kasi when you're
And it's
shaving
self-care, guys. Self-care.
Yeah, kasi when you're shaving naman, you do it every other day or every once or twice a week. Also, medyo mas mahal if magme-maintain din ng cream or any...
Oh, parang same lang naman. But ito yung mas painful na way. Anyways, pero okay naman na, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think after Kat does it, like after she tries it, it'll be good, right?
Yeah.
And then we can both just go at the same time too all the time. So that's convenient. It's sunny outside, so we're gonna look for things to do or maybe eat dinner. So see you in a bit. Guys, so ngayon papunta kami sa PetSmart. Wala lang. Fun lang.
Ano fun?
Ang ganda ng araw, no? Tingnan nyo. Clear skies. Wow. Wow.
Very nice.
Nagtataka kayo kung bakit wala akong mask. Meron.
Nagmask ako kasi wala akong sunscreen.
Yeah, so yung forehead niya lang yung gusto niyang masunog.
Wala akong sunscreen, guys.
So, yeah, we're gonna go to,
PetSmart.
to PetSmart kasi bibili kami ng litter box for kitties. Yun lang. Tingnan natin dun. Pagdating namin dun. Okay, so we finally bought it.
A litter box.
Litter
At saka
box.
litter scoop.
Litter scoop. Kasi, baka may ampunin kami for like a temporary time habang busy pa ang mga tao. Yung cat na lagi nyo nakikita sa video namin, yun kasi mga anak na nga yung friend ko si Angelo. Kaya nag-volunteer kami kasi gusto rin namin ng pet. So ayan. Then ngayon siguro mag-practice na kami ng driving. No. Or kakain kami. Pero siguro practice muna tayo kasi habang may araw.
Okay.
Pero
Sige.
ano ba gusto mo tayo? Sige.
See you guys later.
Oo, see. Mamaya na lang ulit. Masarap ba yun? Okay, sige, bye. Kain muna pala kami.
Kakain muna kami kasi
Para diretso bahay na mamaya. Okay guys, so now it's time for some driving practice. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna practice now. Alright, let's go. So, nakalimutan namin ilagay yung the L sign. So, Kat is just putting that at the back. Because here in BC, if you're like learning how to drive or like a learner, you have to put the L sign.
Baho ng skunk.
May skunk?
Baho.
Okay, anyways, we are going to
resume our driving lessons. Hello guys, so now we are back home. Sabi ko, we are home. We're home now. Papahinga na kami ngayon. No?
Yeah, kasi work na ulit tomorrow.
Work na uli. Another full week of work. Monday to Saturday.
Yeah, pero tingin ko mabilis lang naman yung araw. I think.
Totoo. Kaya ngayon, ang routine pag umuwi is manonood ng vlogs. So ngayon, nanonood kami ng Carino Family. And then, siguro mamaya yung mga vlogs na na-miss namin kasi nasa labas kami ngayon. Ewan ko, hindi na nga natin kailangan ng Netflix. Lagi tayong nakain.
Oo.
But it's alright. We still watch a lot of stuff. Kasi, diba, para walang iniisip masyado. But, yeah, that's all for today's vlog. We hope that you liked it. There's not really a lot of things going on. So, yeah. See you tomorrow.
See ya.
Peace.